Hey everyone, how is it going? Today I'm going to tell you guys how to put money on TradingView. So as you know, TradingView is just for seeing the current market price of any currency or coin, but you cannot directly trade with it unless you connect with a broker. So the brokers that allow you to trade directly with TradingView are Interactive Brokers, Optimus, and then forex.com. So what you need to do, let's say you have a forex.com account, you need to put your money into your forex.com account first, and once you've done that, you need to head over to TradingView, and then you see something called Trading Panel at the bottom. Click on this one and then click on forex.com, and then it's going to ask you to log in with your forex.com username, password, and then connect. From there your wallet will be connected with TradingView, and then you can directly trade using it. And this is how to do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.